What's good, y'all? It's Mixmaster Jayon coming at ya. Let's get it. We're back at it again. Let's go. Let's see what's in this box. Got the knife, got the box. As you can see, as I slowly zoom in, this is something I picked up from Dick's Sporting Goods. It caught my eye while I was trying to cop the Zion Air Jordan 34s. Took a major L. Sucks, but I've been wanting this pair for a long time, so this makes me feel better. Surprisingly, this took very little time to actually come in. I expected it to take way longer. It seemed like it was going to take longer, but now it's almost time to open up this box and see what I got. A little bit more, and then boom, we're in. Now it's time to lift up these flaps and look at these beautiful Air Jordan 34s. Whew. Can't help but love that box. It looks so clean. Now time to put this garbage away. Then after I'm done with this, I'm gonna cut and then I'm gonna have the box all set up nice. Let's see. Got it away. Alright, we got it unboxed. It's now looking good. Here's the tag. Shows you that I got size 10, Air Jordan 34, Regency purple, a nice holographic look at the top. Let's check the side. A little bit of a nick there. Still holographic all around so far. Yep, nice holographic detailing. Really cool. A few nicks, bruises, and bumps. The bottom looks pretty good though. It's alright. It's not too bad. It's not as worst as I've ever seen a pair of shoes come, so we're gonna live with it. Engineered by Flight. Real nice detailing. Can't help but really love the way that these boxes open. Something really weird that I've never seen done before until I saw it was 34. And there's probably a few shoes out there that does boxes like this. It's the first time I've ever seen it. Let me take that information out. And I don't know what's going on with my paper, but it's really weird. It's all crunched up underneath the shoes. But these shoes couldn't come out looking any better. Can't help but love these. These look too good. Ooh, has holographic on the foot. A lot of orange detailing, along with the blue, the green, the darker blue. It's more of a royal and a sky blue mix. And 23 under the tongue. Kind of squishy. Not the squishiest, but it's pretty good. Not bad. Nice feel of, it's kind of sheer on that side. So if you ever felt sheer, it's pretty much what it feels like. Front and back, that shiny part. Yeah. Really like it. It's like a mix between different eras. Seems like it took a lot of inspiration from the 80s with the way that everything is jagged and stuff. Really good pair. There's the messed up paper underneath. I love the way that it transfers from blue to green and all the blue and green detailing, along with subtle hints of purple. It's just pretty much all my favorite colors mixed into a shoe, blue, green, and purple, and it just came out looking beautiful. And here's my paper, straighten it out, and then you can see that it says designed and engineered to the exact specifications for Flight. Behind that is some basic, pretty standard white paper. Don't know why that's in there. Nice Jordan symbol at the very bottom of the box. That pretty much concludes all of it, so close that up. Then I'm going to do some B-roll in a sec of this glorious shoe.